We're having a lot of fun here in Splash 2. This is Cloudstaff's second year here in Aqua Planet, so they organized this huge party for us, and we're having a lot of fun.
This is really about being able to get together, be able to catch up with some of the other teams, and this is a great opportunity to bring everyone together and share a bit of fun and have a great day.
We do invest a lot into our staff to make them happy. You know, these events are fantastic, as you can see, and this is what Cloustaff's all about. We want to have fun, we want to look after the staff. Without the staff, we don't have a company, so it's important we invest in them. By participating in these events and sponsoring these events, we're giving a little bit back to the staff, and this is our gratitude. This is us saying thank you.
One of the things we love about Cloudstaff is the culture. The culture not only in work, but the culture it breeds outside of work to the greater community. That's probably one of the big differences we have, not only with the technology, the infrastructure, the recruitment, and the team spirit, but how they all get on inside and outside of work. For us, Cloudstaff is number one.
We're not a traditional BPO, we're something which is very different. You know, we're about sort of trying to connect great staff with great customers. If you are looking for a bit of a change, go to www.cloudstaff.com and visit our careers page and see if there's something there which you're going to be passionate about. So we love passionate people, and if you want to join a passionate company, we're the guys to look at.